Hi, all the viewers of Bollywood Live. Welcome to a very special interview. I've got a very handsome, dashing, super talented, and exciting Ali Fazal with us today, who's going to be talking about obviously Mirzapur 2, because हम सब गुड्डू भैया के तो फैंस है ही, कालीन भैया के फैंस है, तो उसके बारे में तो काफी चर्चा होने ही वाली है. और साथ साथ we'll talk about his career, we'll talk about the other things Ali has been up to. Obviously now Ali सिर्फ हमारा अली नहीं रहा, वो तो हॉलीवुड का भी अली बन गया है. So we'll be talking about all that. So huge round of welcome to you, Ali.
Thank you so much. You're very generous with your words. Thank you.
So first things first, just on a light note. I mean, obviously I can see you on camera, so I cannot see you exactly in person. लेकिन मिर्जापुर 1 में भी ये हुआ था, मैंने इंटरव्यू दी. क्या आप अपनी वो जो बॉडी है, वो जो डोलिश वाली, वो सिर्फ सीरियल के लिए बनाते हो, उसके बाद उतारते हो क्या?
हाँ यार, मुझे मतलब जिम का इतना शौक नहीं है. नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत बनाया था, बट I like to keep fit. I'm more of a sports guy, so I like staying outdoors as much as I can. But हाँ, वो ऐसा थोड़ा उस टाइम के लिए किया था, बहुत रगड़ा था. फिर सीजन 2 के लिए थोड़ा बहुत किया था, उसमें उतना ऐसा शोबाजी नहीं था, तो I went easy. बट ऐसा उसका फ्रेम वेम वही था. हाँ, लेकिन ऐसे शो पे नहीं रखना है ना, मतलब फिर फायदा क्या है, फिर हम वही बन जाते हैं हम. हाँ,
Get into character now. Ali, amazing journey. I mean, when you look back now, when you see when you had that cameo in Three Idiots, and it Give Me Some Sunshine became an anthem for the youth, and now again your dialogues have become an anthem for the youth in another way. You know, masti way mein ya to thoda sa tashan mein bolte. When you look back at his journey, did you ever? How does it feel? Do you ever pinch yourself ki yaar, if you've had such a tremendous journey, and B, does it feel like you are finally getting your just rewards as an actor?
yeah, I think on a level where I can maybe talk about art, it definitely is a relief. It's a nice satisfaction when you get to play, you get a playing field, and when your directors push you, when you get to work on projects where that can happen also, because sometimes we've I think we've all been through that rut of that ring, that series of projects in the middle of your time where you've just done stuff.
Huh.
So and it's not been very challenging for me. So, and I can't, like, I mean, now I'm fortunate enough to reach a point जहाँ scripts मुझे मिलती हैं, तो I get to choose sometimes. I insist on testing also on most projects that I choose. Sorry यार, my hair is all over the place, but so I think that's something that I'm really sorry. Hello.
I said इसी बात पे तो आपकी fan following है.
अबे नहीं यार, मैं तो गंजा हूँ उसमें ऑलमोस्ट. लेकिन हाँ, मुझे अच्छा लगता है that especially with the work that I'm doing even on the other side of the world, it's just become a nice little combination of unpredictable parts.
You're making us proud also, Ari. So, yeah, you're really making us proud. It's good to see one of our guys who are doing this work. And it's not stereotypical. You're getting roles not because you're पहले होता था the token Indian guy, petrol pump या तो banker, very accent में बात करता था. वो बात नहीं. Coming back to Mirzapur, the first season obviously काफी hype के साथ आया था. But when you all obviously maybe not while shooting, but after seeing the finished product, after you all finished it, did you all think so? You all have something special on your hands, or when it grew into something so big, you all were yourself amazed, and it became a phenomenon.
Yeah, we were. It was totally unexpected. In fact, we were also insecure about the fact that web shows had not started really, right?
Yeah.
Like it was one of the first few.
I think
Inside Edge had come in.
Not mistaken. Inside Edge.
Inside Edge was the first, and I think Made in Heaven was also being made side mein. So we didn't know what was going to happen. We didn't know this format will work or not. I knew that the script had something. I knew that the part that I'm playing is something like I can bring something to the table that people might find interesting. So yeah, it was a pleasant surprise, and a bigger surprise, and a big sort of reminder of the love was people kept us in the news for so long, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Just the constant rewatching, the reviewing, the recalls, the
Anime
memes.
trailers and all.
Oh, oh God, it's nuts. The art that's come out of it. I think some people have just become artists because of, web shows, and it's really kind. And so I think that's why the hype is even now. It's gone nuts. I think the entire country is. It's it's the next best to IPL, I suppose.
इतना टाइम
But
क्यों
I
लगा
don't.
सीजन टू लाने
Yeah.
में?
Sorry.
इतना टाइम क्यों लगा सीजन टू लाने में?
No, I mean it wasn't that we finished the shoot. I think September last year. Then I left for London, and I think the edit was happening and everything, and we just got stuck because of pandemic. It was supposed to come early here, but I think the later the technical bits, the VFX and the dubbing and everything got held up because of safety reasons. They didn't want to do it in the middle of the pandemic. I had a bit of a tragedy at home, so
Yeah,
then
sorry about
yeah,
that.
came back and resumed.
Please accept our condolences. I will
Thank
talk
you.
to you after. When, like you said, it was a big surprise for you also. Once when something comes with a decent amount of expectations, trailer देख के expectation बढ़ गई थी season one को देखकर, and then it blew everything to the stratosphere. And then season two comes. So obviously, this time it doesn't come with expectations. This time it comes with buzz. This time it comes with hype. So
Yeah.
what's that pressure? Because first you all are coming that pressure is not there, but now that delivery ka pressure to hey because the fans also it's a huge fan base. So what's that pressure? How do you tackle that actor and the entire team together?
I think see that's something later, right? It also happens much later because we finished, like I said, right? I've been through two major projects after finishing Mirzapur. So for me, that pressure is now building up. You know, when the trailer was about to hit, like yesterday, day before, yesterday, yeah, it suddenly hit me. So now I'm feeling that, shit, we have to be good. We have to better season one because the audiences, because now we're, like I was telling somebody earlier also, but इस दफा हम audience के साथ चल रहे हैं ना, वो हमारे साथ चल रही है.
Ah,
Because now they're up to speed
yeah,
with season one, and so it's not just going to be critics. Audience is going to be our critics.
yes.
Unfortunately or fortunately, whatever you call it.
It's always fortunate. It's always fortunate. Let's
So
have them first. Why not? Acha,
yeah.
Ali, when you are working, tell us something about now after जो Hollywood का जो सफर है. It started with obviously a part in Fast and Furious 67 था, 7 था.
Seven. Seven. They're episodes now, पता नहीं कितने हो गए होंगे. हाँ, yeah.
So, and now you come here and you're playing such a major part in ensemble cast. Gal Gadot, Kenneth Branagh, who's Shakespeare, who's known for his Shakespearean work and all, he directs you and all. When that happens, okay, do you feel like also an added responsibility that yes, you are an actor, but also you are an Indian who's representing Indian cinema on the world stage. The responsibility, no?
Uh, Not a, I wouldn't call it a responsibility. I think it's a very nice feeling inside. It's a pride sort of a thing when I entered the day one on the table read we had with the entire cast in London. Um, I felt nice. It was really cool to arrive, and I think I'd come straight from the airport, so I was literally jumped in, and it was, yeah, it feels nice. Also, it's challenging because I'm we're all we're all equals right there on that table. We're all equals, and
Yeah.
so then it just boils down to your craft and your art and how you engage with emotion, and that's the essence of it all, isn't it?
Okay, now in Bollywood, I do not know whether you have experienced this yourself, but sometimes they say that in Bollywood, like if you're working with a superstar, then there's certain, probably some people, have to make adjustments. थोड़ा tantrum होता है, कभी starry airs होते हैं. Did you experience that in Hollywood, like when you work with Wonder Woman? Is that ever there, or it's like you said, it doesn't matter. All those things are shared on Wonder Woman set. Over here, everybody is just a character.
Yeah, yeah. No, not at all. There's no stardom there. There's no. I mean, our director is like probably the biggest star on that set, like it's Kenneth Branagh. So you, even if you want, you can't. Uh, no, the senior people out there, and I think there's such respect once you step on set that no, there's no tantrum as such. We're all in the same makeup van. We're all, in the same waiting rooms together. You want to make your tea, you make your tea. You know what I mean? It's very, and also because we were eight of us, it's like a party every day. It's just hanging, chilling, and suddenly going, and we're all making sure we're working on our scripts and on our characters whenever we have our own time. We would stay in the same hotels, so there was nothing preferential or anything, or no starry stuff.
And with due respect, you are extremely talented, Ali. But just getting these big projects, how are you going about that? आप तो आप तो कुछ जादू की छड़ी चला रहे हो कि these projects one by one are just coming to you. You got another one where you're playing the lead, if I'm not mistaken, in a World War II drama. I'm not sure whether I remember. I don't think I remember the name. You're playing the lead actor in the World War II drama.
Yeah, Johnny Walker.
जादू की छड़ी चला रहे हो कि
अरे नहीं, कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है यार. I think I'm just getting a bit lucky, I guess, in some ways. I think I don't know. There's no method really. I keep my eyes open, I suppose. I always fall back to basics. If, I think it all lies in the basics, because art is just endless, right? Like we're all. I'm always looking for the next best thing,
yeah.
And it's happening. It's happening everywhere and at a very fast pace. So no matter where I am, I'm always a few steps behind. As we constantly have to catch up with times, catch up with technology, and catch up with the just the kind of art we're putting out there. And the platforms are changing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's not about getting cool stuff there. It's about also being able to bridge this gap that we've had for so long, right, from India to the world stage, the center stage. And I think that's happening. Not just, I mean, me. I'm saying there are so many other people who are doing this. Chaitanya's film, The Disciple, it's just done that. I mean, it's so amazing. It's gone to the Venice Festival. Um, um, so many others, man.
There's so many South films also, Alu Arjun and all, and they're very
Oh, that's another level. I think that's some other level of frequency. I think that those should be our Oscar entries every year. Period. Like मेरा पूरा playlist सिर्फ South का music है. I think Malayalam and Tamil cinema industries are they're far more superior than the Hindi film industry in many ways. So I really look up to actors there, man. I'm so
very
hoping I can learn the language one day and really work there.
I would also love to see something very nice to hear you say that. Okay, before we wind this up, two more questions. One, it's a fan question. So before Ek Fan, we always put it on Twitter that we're going to be talking about this actor today. And Ali Fazal we put up, and the Twitter feed lit up. And it was not it was a no context. Everybody wants to know the answer to this question. Is that obviously the coronavirus pandemic happened, and then unfortunately you had a tragedy at home. But after that, people want to know when is Ali Fazal finally tangled after this. ये फैन क्वेश्चन है मेरा मैं अवॉइड नहीं कर सकता वरना वो लोग मुझे मारेंगे.
Yeah. Nice one. Hopefully, I think the better answer is the right answer is that we're waiting for this year to get over. I think it's just been a very nasty year for everybody, and of course good in many ways. Also, I'm sure, but I think we'll wait it out. We'll wait it out till the next year starts, and hopefully some people can come to our small celebration and maybe celebrate.
It's a small celebration. Okay. And
नहीं, इतना पैसा नहीं वेस्ट करना है अपने.
Ali, अभी आप इतने सक्सेसफुल हो, रिचा भी इतनी सक्सेसफुल है, थोड़ा तो पैसे वेस्ट कर सकते हो.
अरे नहीं यार, अभी तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है कंट्री में.
The last question on Mirzapur, since we are here for Mirzapur, the last question. It's a very good point. People keep talking about content and how content is evolved, and even you spoke about bridging the gap. But even if you go to see our shows, the ones on the OTT space, Mirzapur, if you go, they take Mirzapur for example itself, and some other shows like you see Special Ops. Special Ops was a very good show that came recently. इनके अंदर कंटेंट के साथ साथ they also have that age-old dynamic of Hindi cinema, where you have characters like you and Kalim Bhaiya who are larger than life, you have the larger than life action scenes, obviously going with a very strong plot. So, do you think so that this kind, in the name of content, our films are somewhat experimenting too much, while OTT is actually going back to its roots and bringing back that golden period of 60s, 70s Hindi cinema?
Wow, that's so well put. Yeah. Uh, I mean, now come to think of it, it's you have a point, I suppose. We are trying to do that. Somewhere when you get a chance like that, we milk it. In a platform. I suppose that's the evolution of it, right? That now those celebrated characters, or those the golden era that we had, right? The 50s, the 60s. I suppose this is the way to bring it back, if we are to bring it back, in the name of better cinema, in the name of quality cinema, because also I think we know that, what do we know about ourselves, right? We know that we love underdog stories. We know that we have great stories. There are in the interiors of our lands, and kone kone mein chati chati, matlab itni kahaniyan hai.
Hey,
We also we're at par now suddenly with world cinema, because the canvas just got bigger and it became a similar level playing field. You're a pause button away from rejection now and on to the next English or British or whatever show. So yeah, it is a chance. I don't know how much we are bringing that. I mean, that's a great compliment, but yes, these are my favorite actors. I mean, we are fans of Dilip Saab. I'm a big fan of Raj Kapoor's films. Uh, uh, Brando on the other side. These were larger than life characters and yet very real in so many ways. Godfather was such a real film, but yet it's that aura that remains and it stays with you. So yes, maybe we are paving a way for that. I don't know. Maybe I'm tooting my own horn.
no, I don't think that. But, thank you, Ali, so much. Lovely talking to you, Ali. Lovely talking to you. And cannot wait for Mirzapur 2. Obviously, I have no doubt there's going to be larger than life. Amazing. And hope next time we do it in person.
Thank you, man. Hope so. All
Okay.
right.
Bye bye, Ali.